Today, we're going to show you
unboxing of a drone that we just bought, and we're gonna go take it to where are we going, Adeline?
Norway.
Yay! So we're gonna do
And it has
unboxing.
a camera, and we just got it. I'm serious.
Okay, thank you, Adeline. You want to open it up for us? See what's inside?
It comes with pieces, so we have to build it up.
Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside.
Yeah. If you put the thumbs down,
Hmm.
it means.
Oh, look, it says open right here. I gotta read the directions.
It means there's also another way to say no, and thumbs up is one of another ways to
Okay, here we go.
yes.
So this is how the box opens. And what do you get? There you go, the drone. So it looks like it comes already pre-assembled.
But we do have to make some sketches.
So let's look. So what comes here is a drone. It's pretty small, as you can see.
And this is a camera.
So let's see what else is in the box. You want to hold this? Matthew, hold it. No, actually, no, let's not give it to Matthew. Okay, what else comes in this box?
Let's go see. There's.
Okay.
And there's this
What's in
box.
here? You want to open that up? Here, show it to everybody so everybody can see it. Oh, it's a manual. Do you know what a manual is, Adeline?
No.
It basically gives you instructions how to fly it. But we don't need instructions. We could just look on YouTube. Hey, Matthew, don't touch it. I thought you were watching it. Okay.
Learning.
Okay, let's put that over here. So what else comes in here? What else comes in here? Show everybody. It's cables, okay. That's to
charge it up so then they can work. Am I? Yes.
No, you can't play with the drone. Later. Okay, what are these?
That's our big.
Okay, those are the blades. It comes some blades. And what is this stuff? I'm not sure.
This.
What else is in here?
Workers with this.
Oh, some adapters. And these probably is a tool to change the blades on the drone.
Wait a second.
Oh, hey, there's some more stuff. What is in there?
A drone.
What is that, Adeline?
This.
That's it. That's all that comes in here.
Where we, so then we can
Can you show it?
See.
Can you take it out of the bag? Here you go. Go ahead and take it out. There we go. So that's the control. Now, I think you put your iPhone right here, see? And that's how you use the iPhone to control it. And oh, that's what those knobs are. You know that Matthew took away? He was almost gonna put in his mouth. Matthew, what did you do with those knobs?
This is not the part of the video, so.
I think Matthew, stop touching things.
So this is pretty boring. I'm sorry about that.
We found them?
Yeah.
These right here.
So these
Go right onto this.
And here's a pretty cool part.
There, Matthew, play with that. So we're really excited. We're gonna be playing with this, learn how to fly it, and hopefully we won't crash it because this is about with tax was $483. So hopefully we won't crash
and not get it lost.
Yeah, so stay tuned for our adventures in Norway in a few weeks. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel, Adeline.
We're not finished.
We're not finished? What else are we going to talk about? Oh, yes. We'll do that. We'll do a little bit of filming how it works. Thank you for watching.